Hey educators, ready to transform your classroom with Roombr? Let's set up your school account in a snap. First, go to the Roombr website or open the Roombr app. Click on Sign In, or if you don't have an account, click on Sign Up, and then choose your preferred sign-up method: email, mobile, Google, or Apple. Enter your details, set a password, and hit Continue. Keep an eye out for the OTP sent to your email or phone. Don't worry if you miss it. Just hit Resend OTP. Enter the OTP to verify your account. If you're using Google or Apple, you'll be authenticated with your respective account. Once verified, choose Institute as your profile and enter your name and school name, mobile number, and description. There will be a verification process from Roombr's side. Roombr will review the account details and enable your account. Until then, the status of your account will be displayed as your account is under verification. Once the account is verified, in the next step, select K-12, perfect for schools from kindergarten to 12th grade. Now, customize your school's curriculum. Set it up now or skip for later. Skipping takes you straight to your Roombr dashboard. You successfully created your school account on Roombr. Join us in the next video as we guide you through setting up your school and curriculum. Let's make learning awesome together.
Roombr.